Question number 36. Depending upon the species which is present in excess, ammonia and Cl2 react to form different compounds. The products formed when ammonia is in excess are. Students, if we talk about the reaction of NH3 and Cl2, so it is given to us that in this reaction, ammonia is present in excess. Students, in this case, we have the formation of NH4Cl along with the liberation of N2. So students, what is happening over here is this chlorine is acting as an oxidizing agent. So it oxidizes the ammonia from a state of -3 to 0, and it itself gets reduced from 0 to -1. So due to this reaction happening, students, we have the formation of NH4Cl and N2 when ammonia is taken in excess. So students, for question number 36, we have to mark the correct answer as option 2. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 37. A solution of an acidic radical is acidified with acetic acid, and upon addition of sulfonylic acid and 1-naphthylamine reagents, a red azo dye is formed. The acidic radical is most likely to be. So students, this is the procedure for separation of the nitrite ions. So students, when this nitrite ions is allowed to be acidified in presence of acetic acid, it forms the nitrous acid, which then reacts with sulfonylic acid and causes diazotization. So students, this NO2 minus will form HNO2, and this HNO2 will react with sulfonylic acid, and it will cause diazotization. Which will then react with the 1-naphthylamine. And there will be coupling. There will be diazo coupling to form the red azo dye. Okay. So students, for this question, we have to mark the correct answer as option 3. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 38. MnO2 reacts with NaCl in presence of H2SO4 to form a number of products. The species or compound which is not formed is. Okay. Students, if we talk about the reaction of MnO2 with NaCl in presence of H2SO4, students, so there is a redox reaction happening. This MnO2 will oxidize the chloride ions to form chlorine. So there will be the formation of chlorine. Cl minus will get oxidized to Cl2. Now if you talk about manganese, it will convert into Mn+2. So Mn+2 will be attached with this sulfate ions to give us MnSO4. Okay. So there will be formation of MnSO4, there will be formation of Cl2, and obviously there will be formation of H2O to balance the oxygen. Okay. So these are the products which are formed. And if you look at the options which are given to us, we can clearly see that option 2, option 3 and option 4, it contains the products which will be formed. The MnO4 negative will not be formed, so this is not possible. MnO2 cannot get oxidized itself as well as oxidize the chloride ions to form chlorine. So this is not correct, students. The first compound MnO4 minus will not be formed in this given reaction. So for question number 38, we have to mark the correct answer as option 1. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 39. In the contact process of manufacturing SO3, an arsenic purifier is present. This arsenic purifier contains. So it is a fact-based question, students. The arsenic purifier which is used in the contact process contains gelatinous hydrated ferric oxide. So for question number 39, students, we have to mark the correct answer as option 2. Let us look at the next question now. Question number 40. An exciting sample of wrought iron produced in ancient India is the 1600-year-old iron pillar in Delhi. The most significant aspect of this pillar is that there is no sign of corrosion in spite of the fact that it has been exposed to the atmosphere for such a large time interval. Out of the following, select the components present in the wrought iron apart from iron which is in a greater percentage by weight. So students, the components which are present in this sample of wrought iron is phosphorus and carbon. So for question number 40, we have to mark the correct answer as option 1. Let us look at the next question now.